How to play Spotify on Discord. So to start, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Spotify account. In here, you'll have to choose a song that you want to play. So as an example, I'm just gonna play this song. As you can see, the song is already playing. After that, we'll just have to open our Discord account. In here, we'll have to tap on the settings icon. And then after that, go on the left part of the screen and scroll down and look for this option, Activity Settings. Under that, tap on this Registered Games option. In here, go to this Add It option and then tap on the arrow icon and then select on Spotify. After that, tap on the Add Game option and then in here, we'll have to toggle on this Overlay option. After that, tap on this X mark and then in here, as you can see, it is now showing that I am playing Spotify. So that's how easy you can play Spotify on Discord. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!